Hey everyone, I'm Stuti Agrawal and welcome back to Invesfinc Advisors. So for today's video, we will be discussing about some of the trading setups and strategies that you can use for the monthly expiry that is coming up. And also we will be scanning some of the stocks so that you can trade either on equity cash or equity derivatives for this month or the next month. So let me begin. So this is Nifty 50 index that we have in front of us. Let me start by using the parallel channel to draw some lines and make it more relevant. Here we go. So Nifty 50 seems to be at somewhat at the resistance. Today it gave an up move of 0.8%. It was up by 0.8% from yesterday's closing, and it closed at around 16,624. So in my opinion, we can go by selling a strangle and then buying probably since Nifty showed bullish moment today, so we can probably buy a call option as well, a far OTM call option, and that would be one of the options which you can make for the expiry trade. So this makes a call spread, and you can also sell a put as well. So coming to Bank Nifty chart now. Bank Nifty showed a great up move today. It was up by 1.67% from yesterday's closing, which was on 23rd of August. And yeah, so it closed at 35,712. All the banking stocks which I was scanning were have given quite a good up move. Bajaj Finance, gave kind of a breakout. We'll come back to that as well. But let me start by drawing a few lines over here as well. So this is for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was like almost touching the support line which we have drawn over here, but today it gave quite a good up move. And let me go on the hourly chart as well. It also covered a gap that it had made on 28th of August on the as of the opening candle. So it covered that as well today, even though the closing was a bit bearish, but it seems to be quite bullish for today, at least for this expiry at least. My next target for this would be 36,207, which I think that it can probably achieve by Thursday expiry, but let's see. So this was about Bank Nifty. Then we can probably move to individual stocks. Let me come to Bajaj Finance today. So also I discussed on one of my previous video in which I was explaining my strategies and setup. I did trade on Bajaj Finance in the starting of this month, but I had closed the position. And I was, as I was explaining in my previous video as well, that it might give an up move and a breakout over 6,400. At that time, it was at 6,200 or 300 when I was trading it. But now it has reached 6,980, which is quite a good move that it has given over the past 1 week, I would say. So let's come on the daily chart for Bajaj Finance. And yeah, so earlier I was trading on this trend line that I had made, the blue trend line that I had made. But then after the up move that it gave, I made another trend line just to see, if it really respects it or not. And probably I would say that, yeah, it gave a breakout for today as well. So it is quite very strong. It has been strong. It has been giving a good amount of green candles since 16th of August. Even though it was, on 17th of August, it was just, making kind of a doji candle. on the top, but then it gave a breakout as well today. So this stock would be quite interesting to see. Banking stock, as I was saying, that were closed quite bullish today. This is the chart for ICICI Bank. I have made a few trend lines for this as well. These two trend lines were made because there is a gap over here. So the stock might cover, might not cover, but these are the trend lines in general which I have made. And yeah, HDFC Bank, the chart looks quite interesting here. Looks like it is almost at its resistance, which we can see over here, but the banking sector as a whole is, witnessing quite a bullish trend right now. So this would be interesting to see. So HDFC Bank today was up by 2.25% and closed at 1,558 rupees. Coming to Reliance, one of the movers of Nifty 50. So these are the trend lines that I can possibly draw for this. So Reliance would be, it can probably give a breakout if it wants to move up, more up, but the breakout should come at 2200 itself if it has to. This is for SBI. SBI was up by 2% today. So just like all other banking stocks, it gave a quite a good move after a long while. It had been falling since it made a candle. It made a very bearish candle on 5th of August. So it gave a quite a good up move over here. Also, it is at a support, I would say. So yeah, SBI would be a good pick in my opinion. So coming to Tata Motors also has a very interesting double top over here, right here. This is the first top and this is the second top that it has made, and this is sort of a resistance that it has. This being the support. Tata Motors has made Morningstar pattern over here. Morningstar is actually a reversal candle, so it might just give an up move from here. If it would be giving an up move, then obviously the pattern of double top would be rejected. If not, then obviously there is a possibility of triple top as well. It can make a triple top over here, and then might then might fall down eventually, or probably can give a breakout after it. So there are two possibilities. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you really liked it, and that this would really help your expiry as well. And yeah, happy investing.